Welcome friends. In this video, I am going to tell about another string function is printable. The given characters inside the string are printable or not, it returns true or false. Okay, this function checks the characters present inside the string are printable or not. So let's see through one code. Text hello, my website name is Lingaraj https lingarajtechhub.com. Print each text dots each printable. If yes, true, it returns true, then it is printable. If not, it is not printable. It's true, so it is going to be printable. If it returns the false, it is not printable. That's it. It only check whatever the characters defined or declared within the quote, double quote. It generally valid character, and it also recognized or analyzed at the time of print. It also recognized if analyze the data or character, then it is going to be print. If not, it is going to be false. But this function, before the print, you can check it inside the file. If have any content written inside the file, and the content cannot understand by the PC, by the processor, then it is going to be returns as a false. If it returns the false, you understand the format of characters which will be written inside the file and not a proper form, and it is not going to be print. Okay, thank you, and please like and subscribe this channel. Thank you.